Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to run ads on Instagram in 2025. So whether you are promoting a product, service or personal brand, Instagram ads help you reach the right audience fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to download and install the Meta Ads Manager application on your phone. You can also access it with the help of your desktop account. Now, since Instagram is owned by Meta, all of your ads are managed and created over here. So you need to simply log in into it with the help of your Instagram account. It will took it automatically. You just have to get in here. Now over here, it is going to show you all of the campaigns that you have previously created. But since I haven't created any of the campaigns here, you can tap on the option of create in order to create one. Now before creating a new campaign, you need to add a payment method. So tap on the option of add payment method. After that, you need to select the country, the currency and the time zone. Afterwards, simply press next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to select the payment method, which can be a debit or credit card, UPI or net banking. So after selecting it, simply press next in the bottom. Then you need to provide the payment details, and basically first of all you need to add your payment method. After that, you need to choose what's your objective. It can be engagement, awareness, traffic, sales, etc. So after defining the particular objective, you just have to simply define who will see your ads. So you can choose the location, gender, age and interest of the people. You can also use the custom audience like people who visit your website or engaged with your posts. Then you can select the manual placement and tick Instagram feeds, stories and reels. In 2025, reels ads are the most popular for engagement. After that, you need to enter the daily or the lifetime budget. Then you can pick the start and the end date. Even $5 to $10 per day can also work for the small businesses. Then you can upload the images and the videos. You can add caption and include any call to action button like shop now or learn more. You can preview your ad, how it is going to look in the stories and the stories and feeds before publishing it. Then you can check the your targeting, placements and the budget and publish your campaign. So your ads will go live with the help of this option and you will be able to review it from this page. So this is how you can run ads on Instagram in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.